Provo Beast to another unboxing. Today we're doing this Kicker single channel 600 watt max amp. It's 300 watt RMS at 2 ohms and 150 watt RMS at 4 ohms. It's a CXA300.1. We're going to go ahead and get this pulled apart for you so you can see all the parts that it does come with and compatible accessories that you can order as well.
Audio installation channel is sponsored by NVX and Sonic Electronics. Get 10% off all speakers, amplifiers, wiring kits, and more with coupon code PBAI at NVX. Also get 5% off all car audio components at Sonic Electronics with coupon code ProvoBeast.
Alright, with this kit, as we got it pulled apart, we have our amp itself, but they also throw in some mounting brackets. You get a certificate of certified power. This does 330 watts RMS at 2 ohms. And your manual mounting hardware and miscellaneous. Pretty cool amplifier. Here on the amp specifically, we got our power terminals. Now you may need to use male spade terminals in order to fit in that slot there. Same with speaker wire. It's not your traditional direct wire 4 gauge or 2 gauge. On this side you have your RCA inputs and a pass-through output. Your input level is high-low, meaning if you hook your RCAs up to a speaker level or a low-level input, you can actually select with that center button there the type of signal going into the amp, so it's easier and better on the amplifier itself. You have your gain, crossover, your bass boost, and a bass knob input. Now, in case you are interested, you can also pick up this bass knob as well. The CXARC is compatible with this type of amplifier. They do not come together, so you'll have to order that separately. That's about it for this amplifier unboxing. If you have any questions about it, go ahead and post a comment below. Go ahead and check a link in the description where we've used this amplifier on a Chevy Cruze install. Thanks guys for watching the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.